just wanna get close to you. I just wanna get closer. But with you, it feels just like deja vu. Come here, girl, let me hold you. Similar moves and you start to bend over. I've had to been here before. I've had to been here.
Good morning, America.
Good morning. So it's day 3 in transit to California, and we are stuck.
Yeah, technically we're stuck.
The weather
here in
has done it again.
The weather is terrible right now. There is a major thunderstorm heading east. It's currently in Texas. I know we said we didn't have no plans, but I mean the only plan we had was to at least have between 200 to 300 miles per day. And unfortunately, we're gonna be stuck here in Louisiana till Friday till the weather clears up.
We had no plan, but we decided last night forget that. It was too much. Y'all saw like you know, all day we were on the phones and you know, while we're traveling, and that just didn't work. So last night we pulled out the computer. We'll show you guys. We stayed last night at Cracker Barrel, so we're gonna wake up to some breakfast. We're gonna go and have some food. And continue to plan and decide what we're going to do for the next 2 days, because the storm is like kind of just blocking off our whole path of where we're supposed to go. And they're talking about hail, tornadoes, and then we're going to find a place to stay for the next 2 nights just to keep it safe. Tim is still limping, as you guys can see. Yeah, I'm still, it's gotten a little bit better, but anyways, guys, we'll see you guys inside. We're about to go eat.
Let's go and see you getting
Try to do some sourcing over here.
Some sourcing? You put our names down yet or no?
Huh?
You put our names down yet?
No, it was true.
Cracker Barrel. What'd they say?
No, wait. Oh, they got one.
Oh, no, wait.
Can't see they have a sticker or something. Oh, these are cute.
Got the same job down everywhere.
What are these? Oh, salt and pepper shakers.
We ready to lose?
Stop.
In some...
Who beat you last time, bro?
You didn't beat me.
Yes, I did.
Alright, let's do it. Let's do it.
Oh boy, I forgot. I gotta think about this. Can't.
Yeah, think about it.
Mastermind, yeah.
Did you order some gravy on this?
Yes. That is us.
Yes. Hook it up. Thank you.
I'll bring you a couple of plates.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
You already took this one out?
Yeah. Yeah, shit. I already lost.
One, 2, 5. Womp womp.
Ready to lose, bruh?
We're gonna show you how the boss does it.
Alright, show me.
Oh, I'm missing one. Hold on.
Show me what you got.
Alright, so it pretty much has to start this way. Whoa. That's one.
I'm about to YouTube it.
Yeah, so we're back at it. I got one down. Okay? Let's get it.
Because those biscuits are calling me. You sure you ain't cheating there? Oh, hell no.
I won, guys.
3.
Man, I'm still going.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
What?
I got 2 left.
Okay, rematch. Rematch.
No, no rematch.
You know, I was just warming up.
You can't do a... What happened?
Nothing available at the KOA.
Oh,
nothing.
Yeah? Great.
We're gonna...
Alright guys, so you can't do an RV road trip across country and not stop at Cracker Barrel. Isn't that right, Ben?
Yeah, I was stressed out right now. $12.50 for 2 days. Oh, okay. And
the face you make when you're trying to...
You say you have availability for
research and find a place to stay for the next couple nights because of weather. Billy's on the phone. So this is what we have up against us, guys. Let me just quickly show you guys what is happening. Well, there it is. We brought it up. So we've got that, guys. We're right where that blue dot is, pretty much. Right over here. So we were thinking about getting up this morning and just driving, starting to head out, but I told Babe, look, you see what we're gonna drive into?
You do? Okay, in order to make
so I think that we're gonna try to, like I said, right out here, so we can just probably wait for this. Okay. Wait for this to just pass.
I'll do it online because I have to talk to my husband. But thank you so much for being so.
So we'll see.
Okay, perfect. Have a great day. Bye bye. So this place has availability, but I'll have to go back in a minute because I have to talk to my husband and confirm. But I'm just asking if I'll book through the phone, or is it something that I'll do online?
Still working. Trying to find somewhere for us to go. Find anything to make us some money?
No, yet.
We are scanning to see what we can steal from. Really find anything here though, babe? Might be negative, Nancy. Be that. Slow moving. All right, guys. So we just got done eating, and we got success. We found it. Well, Millie found a place that we're gonna actually head to. It's about 20 minutes away. About
25 minutes away. It's about
Where is it?
5 miles or 5 to 10 miles away from French Quarter. So it's not bad. At least we'll be able to be in New Orleans and kind of experience a little bit, even though the weather's going to be a little crazy.
Yeah, we weren't planning on doing that. We were going to drive through.
Yeah, we were just going to drive through and make New Orleans trip another trip, because you know it requires time, and with an RV in New Orleans, it's not very friendly, and the parks are really expensive in New Orleans. So
well, you found one.
We found one. It's called Three Oaks Pine RV Park. It has about 4-star reviews in Google.
$40 a night?
It's $40 a night with the good full hookup. Customer service was amazing through the phone. The guy even said, oh, we can pay when we get there. He made a reservation for us. I mean, I've been looking for parks, and I've been, you know, I guess because of the storm, a lot of people are just kind of, I guess, you know, riding it out until Friday, until the weather comes down a little bit.
Yeah.
So yeah,
and we found that on the Allstays app.
Yeah, this Allstays app is the bomb, man. If you don't have, if you're an RVer and you don't have this app, let me show you what it looks like right here.
I don't know if you can see. It's kind of dark with the lighting. But yeah,
it is definitely a must-have. We found like the past 3 places that we found them on that app.
Yeah, all our pit stops, Love's, Walmart's, because it tells us if we can stay overnight with the truck or not.
It has good reviews.
The trailer.
And you can kind of just scout your route. You don't have to keep Googling. And I mean, I use both just to kind of read reviews, but the app is the bomb. Like, you need to have the Allstays app.
All right, so we are 30 minutes away from the campground. That means we're here for 2 days in Louisiana, man. 2 days, no bueno. So new rule is in effect. Whoever's in the passenger seat gotta get out and put gas, get snacks, and do all that good stuff. Designated driver does a lot of work driving and pulling his trailer. It's been an adventure. It's been what, 3 days? I think we're on the 3rd day of traveling, and things are unexpected. Didn't know we were gonna be in Louisiana for 2 days. I don't know, we'll see how it goes, man. So when we're getting out of here, actually, I think it's gonna be Friday morning. We gotta hit it, man. Like, we gotta go. How's it going?
It's going very well. How about you, sexy?
Muy bueno. I was just telling them about, you know, we got a new rule in effect.
What's the new rule?
Passenger, whoever's not driving, has got to do the activity.
Which means I'll be putting the gas.
Putting gas, getting our snacks, making the runs, doing the drops for the post office. So
damn, that sounds like a lot of work for me.
Hey, pulling this trailer is a lot of work.
You're right.
Driving all these hours.
But I give it up to you. It's teamwork. It's all about teamwork.
Teamwork, guys.
If it wasn't because I can't yet to drive this thing, where I'm a little scared.
Wait, you can.
I can, but I'm apprehensive. Not that I don't choose not to. I'm a little bit terrified, I guess.
So what are we gonna do today? We're gonna go into New Orleans, thrifting. We're gonna.
We'll do a little bit of everything. We'll just drive around and see what it looks like. French Quarter.
What my foot can do.
Yes, it's on.
Guys, I'm terrified. We're about to go on this long ass bridge. For I don't know how long.
It's a couple of miles.
It's like going up and down. We're heading to New Orleans, baby.
Baby, this is a last minute thing, so we're just gonna make the best out of it.
Alright guys, so we just got to the RV park. It's a little different than what we're used to, but the staff here is extremely nice. And again, it's last minute, so. But I remember we told you guys in the previous vlogs that, hey, some campgrounds may be beautiful and, you know, but when you're on a trip like this and you have last minute planning, this is just what it is. It's a lot with hookups, and that's it. Driving in was a little bit different because the neighborhood seemed a little sketchy. Good thing for us, it's gated. You know, we saw some reviews, they said it's pretty safe here, so that should be good, man. We're only here for 2 nights, depending on what the weather does, so we'll see. All right guys, so we're here. We just got set up and we feel good about it. Feel like we made the right decision based on the storm coming. How do you feel about it, babe?
How do you feel about what, the park?
About the park?
I mean, the people were very nice. Thankfully, they had a spot. And, I mean, it's like a parking lot, but...
Yeah, it's like a parking lot.
It's not bad.
But we're close in the town that we're about to go into.
Yeah, it's pretty level. People are nice.
And the weather?
That matters. And the weather... Well, from listening to the updates, we made a good call on stopping because we're on a severe...
Hey, put that down.
Stop it. Drop it. We're in severe... She loves the grass. Now that it's warm, she doesn't know how to act.
Oh my God, look how she's making a mess.
She doesn't know how to act. We're on severe storm threat tomorrow, so we're good that we're here instead of driving in like heavy winds and rain, which we don't feel comfortable doing, so it's better safe than sorry. Look at this girl. She is so freaking excited. She hasn't been able to be outside much because it's been cold.
Yeah. The only downfall we saw in a bad review was that the train tracks. Those are trains right there.
But
so
I like the train.
We'll see how it is. It's just like Florida. All right, guys. So we're gonna go fill up our propane tanks and get prepared for the next trip, boondocking, whatever it is we're gonna be doing, and just wait this storm out.
We're having a storm. It's blasting.
Get Congress to agree that the cap needs to be
Okay.
The previous cap allocated by Congress was $500 million.